Hey, how you doing? This is Sai from affiliateship.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about starting your affiliate income goal of just $1. Okay, so when you're starting out in your affiliate marketing business, I understand that you may have a specific income goal in mind. Your income goal, may ideally be an amount high enough so that you can live a better quality lifestyle and all the good stuff, great things that come with having a decent income. It may even be a very ambitious amount, like even £1 million, $1 million per year income goal. Could be even pounds, depending what country you are and all that. That's fantastic. You have every right to think big and dream big, and your thinking in this way is natural, like many others, and I myself as well think like this, and it makes sense. I fully support and believe that you can do it as long as you believe in it, regardless of what other people think. But your best chance for success may happen and only if you don't quit, take consistent action, you work hard, you work smart, provide value to your audience, execute proven profitable strategies, be honest, ethical, help people and serve people. However, before we can set these types of goals and expectations in affiliate marketing, I prefer the idea to first start right from the basic, ridiculous, lowest income goal, which is just $1. Because think about this, you're new, you're learning, you never practiced affiliate marketing before, so do you not think that you may find it difficult and challenging to reach an income goal of, let's say, for example, $10,000 per month if you set that? And when you don't reach your income goals at the end of the month, you're going to feel upset, you're going to feel demotivated, may even think that this affiliate marketing is not all that way what you thought it was. Therefore, it's best to start. Maybe it's a good idea to start from the lowest number and work your way up. And it's more realistically achievable and doable. Okay. And when you achieve that little income goal, you become more confident and motivated to achieve higher and higher. As Tony Robbins also says, that success breeds success. So how to earn your first dollar in affiliate marketing? Let's now look at some of the mechanics of how we can, increase our chances and possibilities, probability, should say, to earn our first dollar in affiliate marketing. So what you first need to do is get in the trenches of doing affiliate marketing. You do this by learning and carrying out the general day-to-day tasks and processes that professional affiliate marketers do, that will result in the probability of generating an income. And from the process and tasks that you undertake, you need to achieve a monetary return of more than what you put in, especially in paid marketing. So what are these tasks and processes? There are things like creating landing pages, building funnels, optimizing your funnels, tracking your funnels, creating content, building your list, creating bridge pages, bonus, engaging in paid advertising, testing and experimenting on your marketing campaigns, and so on. To keep things simple and not stress yourself with overwhelm, perhaps it's best to start with an income goal of just $1. If you can learn how to earn just $1 in pure profit, trust me, this will be a huge milestone and breakthrough in your affiliate marketing business. You should celebrate this little yet huge success, because having earned that $1, you've just proved to yourself that you now have the ability to make a profit in affiliate marketing. In addition, you know what sort of activities you did in order to achieve this result. As a result of the processes, you have acquired some highly valuable income producing skills. Now you can progress and raise the bar a little higher. Perhaps you can set a high income goal each time you reach your current income goal. For example, it may be $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000, and so on. Unfortunately, there's no guaranteed step-by-step predictable method for achieving your income goals. The only thing that you must keep on doing is practice affiliate marketing and implement what you learn. And yes, you may experience failures and losses, but you just need to learn from the losses, failures and mistakes and keep on moving. To put it another way, you can fail your way to success just like many super successful people. For example, J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter author, rejected by so many publishers, now worth millions. I even read that she could be even worth $1 billion. KFC founder Colonel Sanders' chicken recipe rejected so many times, now a global empire. Oprah Winfrey fired from her first TV job. Now she has her own TV channel. I said show, but actually she's at her own TV channel, and of course she's worth millions. The lesson to learn is that if you're passionate and believe that you can make it in affiliate marketing, then keep on going, keep on experimenting, keep on testing, keep on marketing, keep on learning. When it comes to learning, be sure to learn from genuine, proven sources. And if you're learning from other people, i.e. experts and gurus, make sure they have produced the type of results that you want to produce. Once you do all that, from all your consistent, ongoing efforts, there's a greater chance that you will reach your income goal of just $1. If you can figure out how to make just $1, there's absolutely no doubt and reason that why you cannot make $1 million of those $1 bills and more. So to sum it up, start from low, first learn how to make just $1, and once you've achieved that, work your way up from there on. All the best. So that's it for now, and if you like this video, please like and comment and subscribe. And if you'd like to get some resources on building your affiliate marketing business, visit affiliateship.com/free. And also put the link, I will also put a link to this whole video that I've discussed in article form that you can read at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and see you later.